I wanted to give our investors a real estate market update. Today is March 17th, 2025, and all of our investors who are buying, fixing, and selling real estate always want to know, hey, what's happening with the market? And what I wanted to do is tell you a little bit where we're at right now and kind of how we got here. And so last year, the second half of last year was very, very slow. We had higher interest rates. We had the election that was going on and a lot of items that were going on along with the election. So it was a very unstable market and it made it very difficult for us to draw offers on properties. And I know if you were an investor and you had a home on the market from July until December, you were like, what in the world's going on? And in real estate, it's one thing. It's like light switch off and light switch on. And so, the second half of last year, I would say that was light switch off. And now we're in this time of the year, we're in light switch on. Here's a couple little facts. This year so far, we're getting a good number of showings and we're getting a steady number of offers. So in January alone, we had 7 offers on our investors' listings, the fix and flips. Then in February, we had 19 offers. And so far, as of March 17th, which is today, we've had 17 offers in March. So we're getting an offer a day keeps the doctor away thing. So really important. We want to be able to see activity, the showings, that's important. And then we also want to see the offers coming in so we can tell all of our inventory is being absorbed. And it's a great thing for our investors. But you have to kind of remember, if you had a property that was on it the second half of last year, that was definitely a slow market. I've been doing this for 30 years, and you run into these things. And I always say it's the light switch is off. And it's very difficult to do anything. You can try all the marketing in the world. You can do anything to try to motivate somebody to make an offer on a property. And if the light switch is off, you're just not going to be able to draw anybody. But now the light switch is on, and I've been explaining to investors, hey, if you got a property on the market and you don't have an offer on in a couple of weeks, make a micro price reduction on the property. That'll help with marketing, help getting the property pushed out. But we are coming into, I think, a very robust market. Interest rates continue to go down in the Chicagoland area. And we work from the Wisconsin border to the Indiana border and everything in between. And we're seeing this across the board. So it's properties that are in Lake County, Illinois, up near the Wisconsin border, and southern Cook County. We're seeing offers coming in on these properties. We're seeing showing activity on these properties as well. So giving our investors a market update, and with interest rates coming down, we are in a very, very good market for us to be fixing and flipping real estate. And as always, if you're renting out real estate, that's something I think that's a pretty steady, even market, other than like December and January, where you don't have a lot of tenant turnover, you don't have a lot of move-ins and move-outs. But we're seeing activity on that end. But if you're flipping properties right now, looking at the activity coming in on a daily basis, and right now in March, we're getting an offer a day, which is great. So you're up to date and up to speed with what's going on. And as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. And as always, check out our website, chaseforeclosure.com. Thanks.